Okay, what's up, guys? Um, so this will be my first long form video. Um, but yeah, in today's video, I am going to be staying in a fort through the whole night. I'll give a little montage, but right now, my doggy Lexi is sleeping right here. Her name is Lexi. I don't know if you guys got it in like the shot. So basically, right now I think she's overeating because I have an electric warm blanket in my like mattress, and I think it's like raising her body temperature up. And I think she needs some water and maybe a food. So I'm gonna put it right here. Her food will go there, and then her bowls will go over there. Yeah, this is my setup with my TV over here, with my controller and headset. I will be playing Warzone because I'm on PlayStation 4 and they are ending the service the 25th of July. So I don't have that much. It is currently let me just see, 1:43 a.m. So it is now Sunday. But yeah, it's not that bad. So let me just go get her bowl. Um, yeah, and then I'll come and put it over here. Okay. Um. Okay, guys. So yeah, here's the dog. Here's our setup. I've got food and like thing to put it inside. Then I've just got this water. It's for me and her. It's normal drinking water. There's my glass. But yeah, water here. Food here. Name here. Then I do have my air rifle. From Gammo. It is the Gammo CFX Royale underlever chambered in 177. Then over here for my more how can I say, like, accessible defending myself option, whatever, I have this Bursa Thunder 9 Pro. So basically you just slide this puppy out. Now this is just a CO2 air rifle, so this is not a real rifle. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I will be watching some how can I say, videos, just chilling, trying to go through the night. I've got my doggy over here. Yeah, no big. I know. But yeah, I think I made a good move because I have this like fishing pole to keep it up so that it don't sag, so that I have like free moving space. But yeah, I think this dog will go to my legs. But yeah, her food solution is set right there. So I'll probably watch some videos. Shout out to Ryan Trahan and Exane. That's like the only YouTubers I watch. Then I will be playing some PlayStation. I have this other game, The Hunter Call of the Wild. I think I'm gonna hunt a bit on there. Maybe play Call of Duty, I don't know. But yeah, I'll give you updates if something happens or whatever. Okay, bye. Hello guys. I just woke up. I think it's let me just check. It is 11:24 p.m. a.m. So yeah, it's already day. Um, yeah, it's already day. Oh, what's that? I think I went to sleep at 4:50 or like 5 a.m. Oh yeah, but yeah, it's really cozy in here. It's really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. And this like electric blanket helped a lot. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna like watch some YouTube, and then I'll go and play some Warzone. I think my hunting game. But yeah, it's Sunday, so I'm not gonna take it like too rough. Yeah, I'm just gonna go low and slow. I do want to watch a movie later. Men in Black. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good day.